Hey everyone. Well, um, it's been a long week, so we've been pretty busy. First, we went to Tucson and to visit my old man, and he took us around one of the national parks. What?
Just a little one too.
Wow.
Just a pup.
Hey, that is so cool. He's like looking at us.
Can't feed them.
Wow. I can't believe he's just chilling there. I never seen him that close before.
They walk right down my street all the time.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Very cool. And there's more right over here. Looks like a sun. Oh, they must have played basketball. Look at that. They played basketball back in the day with lobsters. There's a sign. Yeah, I can't see it. Then like another basketball or alien spaceship. Probably alien spaceship. And then more. Whoop. Right over here. And looks like a little box with that looks like a deer or something, or ram. Not sure. Cool stuff. Very cool. We're at the Sandora. How do you pronounce it? National Park out in Arizona, Tucson area. It is gorgeous out here. A lot of cactuses. And out here visiting my pops, and we're just visiting and checking out what's around this area. And it's so hot. It's already like 100 degrees, and it's only like 10 o'clock. It's gonna be a hot one today. What is he eating?
Oh, the rabbit, maybe.
Looks big.
Cat?
What is it?
Look like a cat, babe. Yeah.
Oh, he sees us.
I don't know what animal is, but it have a big
Yeah.
tail. Big tail?
Yeah, big tail. Oh yeah, that's someone's cat. Oh yeah. Yep. Poor cat. After we got our oil change, we decided to head up to the White Mountains, and it's like a 6-hour drive. Pretty scenic though. So we drove up there, and there's a couple different places that you can pull off and take some good just some good footage of the area. The White Mountains are just so beautiful, so many views for days. But beautiful drive. Make sure that you get your gas. But yeah, it's very beautiful. Views for days. Wow. Hey! Hey! So it was someone's birthday, and of course we had to celebrate. And it was Jasmix, and she just turned 27. Is that better? So happy birthday, dear. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jasmine. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
I make a wish before.
Nice. Good job. Happy birthday.
Oh my god.
Near our campsite, we were able to find a nice little trail. It was called Ponderosa. And wow, we found a lot of things on the trail, like bones and some cool stuff. No, careful killing for food, but good little spot. Got the shotgun shell right here. Then got your famous cigarettes while you're hunting, right? Wow, this is really cool. Looks like volcanic rock everywhere. Wow. Wow. Yeah. The views. On our free time, you know what we did. Definitely utilize the bathrooms by taking showers as many times as we could per day. And why not? Got to do some laundry. So grabbed a couple trash bags, filled it up with water, threw some soap in there, and kind of use your hand to kind of like mix up everything. I don't know if it was the best way, but I will say that all my clothes did come out smelling super clean. And then of course you got to dry them, so I used my bear line to stretch from one tree to another, and of course it fell. That's my luck, but luckily Jasmine came to my rescue and saved me. Yep, we're definitely going to have some great memories every morning, making breakfast, having coffee, and I mean nothing beats it. Morning breakfast is the best, and just kind of like getting together and just enjoying the company of your friends,
Bon appetit.
your family, and eating out in the wild. Just loved it. Well, I'll definitely remember this. It's been a great time having dinners, having a fire, and it was just so peaceful. Every night was peaceful, and we just kind of get together and just hang out, maybe play some Uno. I'll definitely remember this trip.